Hello and welcome. I am Peter Altman, the admissions coordinator for the CUNY Baccalaureate for Unique and Interdisciplinary Studies, also known as CUNY BA. I will be your host for this information session. Let's get started. CUNY BA allows CUNY students anywhere in the university to create and pursue an individualized bachelor's degree. CUNY BA students work with CUNY faculty mentors who collaborate and advise them on their studies. CUNY BA students are university-wide students. As you will see, our students can combine coursework from a variety of CUNY campuses and academic departments in pursuit of their unique degree. The resources of the entire university are open to CUNY BA students. Upon graduation, our students are awarded either a Bachelor of Arts or a Bachelor of Science degree. Students can design one or two areas of concentration as the focus of their studies. CUNY BA's flexible degree structure allows students the ability to get creative in pursuing their interests. Our students undertake one or two areas of concentration, or AOCs for short, as the focus of their studies. You can think of an AOC as a customized major. When you think about designing your unique area of concentration, you might reflect on the following. Are you drawn to certain disciplines? What has been your favorite class? Do you have any professional interests? Are there any skills you want to learn or improve? For example, your writing or research skills. Are there any discipline-specific skills you'd like to acquire, such as learning a programming language? These are all interests that can guide and inform you as you formulate your own area of concentration. A CUNY BA degree provides a unique opportunity to stand out among your peers and obtain a degree that more closely reflects your personal and professional interests. You might, for example, be interested in exploring relevant social issues with a historical or political lens by pursuing an AOC in African American history or contemporary global issues, for example. Or perhaps you're interested in documenting social and political issues by producing a documentary film. Those are all concentrations that can be created right here in CUNY BA. If you have an interest in science and technology, you can create cutting-edge concentrations by focusing on bioinformatics, a field which uses software to analyze and interpret biological data, to understand the biological basis for disease, or to find desirable genetic properties in agriculture. Or perhaps you're interested in cybersecurity and want to help protect people's personal information from identity theft by hackers. Or possibly you are a gamer with an interest in pursuing game programming or digital game narrative, a field which focuses on storytelling within games. All those are options in CUNY BA. You can also decide to pursue your interests in culture and the humanities by focusing on, for example, the study of folklore or Japanese language and culture. If you have an interest in art history or criticism and want to learn more about arts management and administration, you can pursue a concentration in museum studies. Of course, these are only a small sampling of the topics you can focus on in CUNY BA. Here is a more in-depth look at an area of concentration proposal. This student wanted to pursue a concentration they titled Arts, Media, and Social Change. The unique flexibility of CUNY BA allowed this student to combine coursework offered from multiple academic departments. As you can see, the student took coursework from 3 different CUNY colleges, Baruch, Hunter, and Lehman College, and coursework from psychology, public affairs, communication, philosophy, journalism, interdisciplinary studies, and art departments. To be clear, your area of concentration need not be this diverse. You can select coursework from a single CUNY college or even a single academic department. The key is that you're proposing an area of concentration that is unique to you, your goals, and your interests. That might include specializing in one academic discipline, using multiple academic disciplines to focus on a single issue or problem, or crafting an area of study around a career interest. Please visit the Proposing Your Area section of our website for more ideas, samples, and inspiration. As you can see, CUNY BA students benefit from a flexible degree structure that enables them to take classes from across multiple CUNY colleges and in various academic departments. They can choose classes that fit their schedule, becoming in effect dual citizens of CUNY BA and their home college. What else makes CUNY BA special, you might ask? Our program is devoted to ensuring you succeed. You will have your own assigned CUNY BA academic advisor who is there to assist you on your academic journey. Special workshops on such topics as how to find your faculty mentor, what you need to do to prepare for graduate school, and how to put together an effective resume are offered regularly. Additionally, we offer scholarships exclusive to CUNY BA students based on academics, areas of interest, and other factors. Please visit our website for a full listing of scholarships available. When you apply to the program, you will submit a first draft of your area of concentration. You will list the courses that you think would best allow you to pursue your unique degree. Once you've been admitted to the program, you will work with a faculty mentor who will use their expertise to help you refine your proposal and make sure it is academically valid, challenging, and will meet your academic and professional goals. The faculty mentor is a full-time CUNY professor from a department directly related to your area of concentration. Students proposing two different areas of concentration or a very diverse single area of concentration may need two mentors to oversee their studies. Please note, you do not need a faculty mentor in order to apply to the program. The role of the faculty mentor is to help refine and improve a student's area of concentration, ensuring it is academically valid and appropriate for their academic and professional goals. However, faculty mentors often serve as a resource for students, advising them on graduate studies, writing letters of recommendation, supervising their independent studies or internships, or even co-authoring and presenting research papers. As you can see, there are many advantages to having a faculty mentor. To serve as a faculty mentor, a professor must be full-time in CUNY, serving in a discipline related to your areas of concentration. Your mentor does not need to come from your home college. They can be full-time professors from a CUNY community college, senior college, or even the Graduate Center. Students pursuing dual AOCs or very interdisciplinary studies may need two mentors to oversee their coursework selection. Please allow approximately 2 weeks for us to process, review, and evaluate your application. Upon an offer of admission, you will be contacted to do an online orientation to prepare you for an appointment with your CUNY BA academic advisor. Before the semester starts, there will be a new student orientation. You will have a chance to meet the rest of the staff and receive some helpful tips to ensure your CUNY BA journey is a successful one. Then, within that first semester, you may begin the process of identifying your faculty mentor. The program application is available online at cunyba.cuny.edu. CUNY BA accepts applications throughout the semester on a rolling admissions basis. Please apply well in advance of the semester for which you are interested in being considered. This will allow us time to give you feedback if there are any issues with your application, provide you relevant advisement in advance of your semester's registration. Thank you for your attention. I hope you found this presentation informative. If you have any questions regarding the program or the admission process, please feel free to contact us at the email address you see on your screen. We look forward to receiving your application.